everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Soft Sheen Carson Magic Exfoliating Scrub. I bought this for my husband. It is great for beards. He does have a decent length beard most of the time, and beards can kind of be hard to clean. They do get like a lot of residue buildup in them. This has been an amazing scrub for him. You can use it on your face, on your beard, on your scalp. He's really loved it. It smells great. It doesn't have any parabens or sulfates in it, so it's really clean and clarifying. He says that it makes his beard feel so much better. It really cleans throughout all the little pores that you get in there. I know that from what he said, beards can obviously be really irritating. This has helped so much. You just jump in the shower, scrub it into your fingertips, and then scrub it through your beard, on your face, and in your scalp. Super easy to use. This bottle lasts for quite a while. This is 6.8 ounces. He's been using this for probably 6 months and he absolutely loves it. And he is somebody that doesn't usually try new products, and this one has been tried and true with him and he absolutely loves it. So I have noticed that it makes his beard feel a lot softer. It's not as rough and scratchy as it usually is. It really conditions it and makes it a lot more smooth, which I love. It is made with cocoa butter and cedarwood oil. So like I said, really conditioning, really softening. It's just a really great product for somebody who has a beard or, has facial hair and wants to keep it really clean and healthy. I think that this is just absolutely perfect. It doesn't dry your skin out at all, and it also helps with razor bumps. He shaves his neck, obviously, and then kind of higher up on his cheek. After using this, he doesn't get razor bumps like he used to, so really nice for the skin too. So if you have a man in your life that is maybe looking for something like this, maybe he has a beard, maybe he just wants to clarify his scalp a little bit more, I would highly recommend this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.